Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing N8N and Flowwise in 2025, two powerful tools for building AI and automation workflows. Let's see which one performs better this year. N8N is a low-code automation platform often compared to tools like Zapier. It supports over 350 integrations and lets users build complex workflows using logic, branching, and custom code. It's open source, self hostable, and ideal for developers and advanced users who want full control. Flowwise, on the other hand, is focused on AI workflow building, especially for LLMs like GPT. It offers a visual interface to build chatbot flows, retrieval based apps, and connect models like OpenAI, Cloud, or local models. It's built on top of LangChain, making it easier to use than coding everything from scratch. While N8N is broader and great for automation, Flowwise is built specifically for people working with AI and language models. So, which one is better? If your focus is general automation across apps and services, N8N is a strong option. But if you're working on an AI-powered apps, chatbots, or LLM workflows, Flowwise is easier, faster, and made for that purpose. Choose based on your goal, automation or AI. If this video helped, give it a like, drop your thought in comments, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching.